In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where a note will automatically resize to what is in the note itself. So here we have an example of a note in a spreadsheet, and it can be annoying at times because it shows up in this kind of automatic size, which can present challenges if you have a bunch of notes in one sheet and they're kind of overlapping. To make it to where the note will automatically resize based on the content that is in the note itself, first go into the note, and you can then edit the note by clicking on Notes and then Edit Note under the Review tab, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift F2. So now that you're in this edit mode, we're going to highlight the corner until you see this icon with a line and two arrows on each end. And then from here, you're going to want to right click on the note and click on Format Comment. From here, you're going to want to go to the alignment setting right here, and you're going to want to click on automatic size. Now that you've automatic size clicked, I click on OK, and as you can see, the note then changes size based on what is in the note. And as I add more, so type more right here, so I typed in more stuff, and the size of the note change. More info. And you see I added more info right there, and the size of the note adjusted. And this can be super helpful if you are trying to make sure that your notes are being as effective as possible with the space that they are taking up. And to turn this off, you can then right click, remove from my comment, and uncheck the box for automatic size under the alignment tab, and that will change the setting where the note will stay the same size even if you have more or less content in the note. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.